Hello friends, in this video I am going to show you how to do this beautiful bridal veni. The best part of this is it's easiest method and it has the less wastage. So let's get started. Before that, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to our channel. Please watch the full video to know the easy tricks and tips. First, I have taken the full flowers. I am going to hold it like this and just shake it so that I take all the petals out. Spread the petals and I continue to do this for all the flowers. I am not going to do for the entire bunch, but I will take a little by little. As I make the veni, I will again separate the petals once again. So this is the easier way without damaging any petals. You can do this. First, take off the damaged petals. Though it comes in a bunch, some of the petals may be damaged in the outer layer. So take them off and then shake it like this and take the fresh petals out. This will include bigger and also the smallest petals. I am going to take the needle. I am going to fold the petal like this inside in the same direction how it's already being folded naturally. You must fold it in the same direction, like towards the inside, and you have to insert the top part of the petal like this so that the lower part will be outside. Continue to do this. Why I told you this is the least wastage method is when you are inserting like this, you can insert the smaller petals also in between. Don't include the smallest petals. So this is how it will be. I have done with the one batch of it. See, this has 8 strands of cotton thread. Don't go for more than this. Okay, that will damage the petal. So only 8 strands are enough. Fold it like this and insert it like this. Okay, I am going to show you once again. The direction of the insertion must be the same throughout the veni. So in the same way I have done this much so far. You can see how beautiful it is. I have included the smaller petals also, still it's very neat. So this length is enough for me, so I am going to end it here. So what I am going to do is I am going to divide this 8 strands into 2, that is 4 on one side and 4 on another, and I am going to take a thicker cotton thread. If you don't have thicker thread, you can fold like this. Okay, between these two, just insert it horizontally like this and then make a knot. In this way you will have the petals not coming out. Okay, if you simply make a knot, you will see the petals are coming out. So this is like a stop for petals. You have to do this in the beginning also, before starting with the veni, and also in the end, so that you will have thread to tie. So this is how it will look. Thank you for watching.